Hey everyone, this is already from Abstrakt Music Lab, and today we're recreating a pluck that I really liked from a track that I really liked from Eric Prydz called Generate, and it sounds like this. Here is the preset. Original. I'm really happy with this recreation. As usual, you can grab it here in the description below. And if you want to support this channel, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, or you can buy me a coffee, all here in the description below. If you have any preset recommendations for me to recreate, leave it here in the comment section. I love the challenge. But let's get down to business and let's start with the sound design. So we're here on Ableton and we're going to start by activating oscillator A and oscillator B. We're going to put oscillator A to 3 voices of unison and oscillator B to 5 voices. But oscillator A, let's go and put it to 0.14. The blend is going to be at 70 and the level is going to be at 79%. While oscillator B, we're going to put the blend here to 60%. The detune, we're going to put it to 0.04. And the level, we're going to put to 87%. This is how it sounds like. It's not how it should be sounding, but it's the right sound. So it's not the right envelope, but it's the right sound. So now we're gonna use the envelope to further develop the sound. And this is pretty important because the envelope is gonna be kind of what dictates the rule of this sound. So attack, it's gonna be at 39 milliseconds. Decay, it's gonna be at 435 milliseconds. And the sustain all the way down, release to 37 milliseconds. Now this handle over here, put it exactly in this line over here, okay? Put it exactly on top of the line. Now envelope 2, it's gonna be similar. We're gonna use this to modulate the filter afterwards, but 39 milliseconds, the decay is gonna be 343. The sustain all the way down, and the release is going to be at 4.3. But now this handle over here, you have to put it over here at this level, okay? Maybe a tad up, but just a little bit, okay? This is really important because this is how it actually shapes the sound. So filter, activate A and B. It's going to be a MG low 6. We're going to put this at 550. The resonance is going to be at 4. And the drive is going to be at 26. So because of that, I'm just lowering the sound a little bit to 655. But now with envelope 2. And the envelope 2, we're going to put the automations to 73. It's pretty close, but we need now to go to the effects section. And in the effects section, hyper and dimension, hyper all the way down. Mix here of the dimension to 30. This opens up the sound a little bit. Just a tiny bit. So distortion, we're going to pick a hard clip distortion. We're going to leave this at 60% and mix at 100%. Now with the filter, we're going to put this at 1280. 1280, something like this, it's fine. MG low 6, and we're also going to put the resonance to 2%. And we're going to put the drive to 9%. Again, envelope 2, we're going to modulate this at 47. Now the EQ is really important, so pay attention to this. So in EQ, you're going to put this both to bell curves. The first one is going to be at 800 hertz. And the second one is going to be at 10,400 hertz. Boom, let's leave it like this. So Q in the first one, 43. Gain, it's going to be at 2.7. And the Q in the second one is going to be at 30. And the gain is going to be at 10.8 dB. So because it's such a drastic EQ, I'm also lowering the volume a little bit to 50%, maybe 45. Without. It's quite a drastic EQ. Now with the reverb, we're actually finalizing the sound with it, and we're gonna pick here the decay to 4.2, low cut and high cut to 40%, and reverb to 34%. Now, if we compare it to the original, maybe a bit more over here. And that's it. It's pretty damn close. I really like this one. And if you liked it, hit the like button. If you loved it, hit the subscribe. And I'll see you in the next Abstrakt video next week. Ciao.